The 2026 Volkswagen Karmann Ghia marks a bold and nostalgic return to one of the most iconic nameplates in automotive history. With its roots in the classic sports coupe era of the 1950s and 60s, the new model blends timeless design with modern technology, making it a standout in today's crowded compact coupe segment. Right from the first glance, the 2026 Karmann Ghia captures attention with its sleek, retro-inspired curves. Volkswagen has done a commendable job maintaining the soul of the original model. The elongated hood, low stance, and rounded fenders are a clear nod to its predecessor, yet they've been reimagined with sharper, more aerodynamic lines. LED lighting surrounds the vehicle, including slim front headlamps that smoothly integrate into the body, and a full-width light bar at the rear that adds a futuristic flair. The classic VW emblem sits proudly at the center of a subtly contoured front grille, giving the car a clean and upscale face. Step inside, and you're met with a cabin that masterfully balances nostalgia and innovation. The interior design incorporates retro elements like round air vents and a body-colored dash insert, reminiscent of the original Karmann Ghia, while wrapping it all in a thoroughly modern package. The leather-trimmed seats offer excellent support, with available contrast stitching and embossed Karmann logos for a premium touch. The digital cockpit is fully customizable, displaying everything from speed and navigation to driving modes and efficiency stats. A 12.9-inch touchscreen infotainment system sits prominently in the center console, offering wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, voice control, and an intuitive UI that's fast and responsive. The cabin materials are soft touch and well finished, with piano black and brushed aluminum accents, giving it an upscale European feel. Rear seating is still more symbolic than practical, but the front cabin is spacious enough for two adults to enjoy a comfortable ride, even on longer journeys. When it comes to performance, the 2026 Karmann Ghia doesn't disappoint. Under the hood, it features a 2.0-liter turbocharged four-cylinder engine, delivering 245 horsepower and 273 lb-ft of torque. The engine is mated to either a 7-speed DSG dual-clutch automatic or an optional 6-speed manual, a rare and welcome touch for driving purists. It's a front-wheel drive car by default, but Volkswagen also offers an optional all-wheel drive system for those seeking more grip and confidence, especially in slippery conditions. The handling is sharp, with quick steering response and a sport-tuned suspension that keeps body roll to a minimum. The Karmann Ghia feels planted through corners and composed on the highway, striking a balance between sporty agility and daily driving comfort. Acceleration is brisk, with a 0-60 time of around 5.8 seconds, and thanks to VW's efficient powertrain tuning, fuel economy remains competitive, averaging about 30 miles per gallon combined. One of the highlights of the new Karmann Ghia is the optional Ghia Performance Pack, which includes adaptive dampers, larger brakes, a limited slip differential, and sportier exhaust tuning. This transforms the car from a stylish cruiser into a genuinely engaging driver's car. The sound of the engine and exhaust has also been tuned to provide a raspy, throaty note under acceleration without being overly aggressive. In terms of safety and technology, Volkswagen includes its full suite of IQ drive assistance systems, including adaptive cruise control, lane centering, autonomous emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera system. These systems work seamlessly to provide a reassuring and modern driving experience. You'll also find conveniences like wireless charging, heated and ventilated seats, a panoramic sunroof, and ambient lighting with customizable colors. Pricing for the 2026 Volkswagen Karmann Ghia starts at $34,995 for the base model, with mid-level trims ranging up to $39,000. The fully loaded Ghia Performance Edition with all options included will set you back around $45,000. Considering its blend of style, performance, tech, and heritage, the new Karmann Ghia offers a compelling value proposition for buyers looking for something unique in a sea of cookie-cutter coupes. It's a celebration of VW's design past, re-engineered for the modern world. A car that looks just as good parked in your driveway as it feels to drive on your favorite twisty road.